Hey everyone, welcome back to LDubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're not, thanks for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking all things cryptocurrency. We're also talking about the bull and bear thesis on what is happening in the markets today. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's jump straight in. If you're enjoying this content and you want to see more videos about cryptocurrency stocks and investing, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get into it. Alrighty, having a look at the market, guys. Obviously, you can see here that ETH is leading the way along with Unify in the dark green, and obviously the market itself is having a very much a correction. Let's get into it. Jumping straight in, JPMorgan strategists say that Bitcoin does not break over 60,000 within the next few days. The momentum signals could weaken for several months given there is still elevated levels. Another bearish voice was the investment Scott Middle, who said the interview with the CNBC on the 20th that Bitcoin looked frothy and was risk of correction to 20 to 30,000. Middle said that such a massive fall would be part of a normal market cycle and that would not alter the long-term strategy for Bitcoin of $400,000. However, several analysts suggest, like Willy Woo, countering the bearish forecast of technical traders with on-chain indicators. Woo pointed out that 14% of Bitcoin supply last moved about 1 trillion market capitalization. Hence this because a strong support makes Bitcoin less likely to drop below 53,000. Obviously, we did see a brief drop under there, guys. A recent survey from Gemini that 13% of the respondents plan to invest in cryptocurrency in 2021. Exploiting the numbers to US population, Gemini said that 19.3 million adults may join the crypto bandwagon this year, which would nearly double the crypto investors' population to 21 million. Alright, jumping straight in, the bulls are buying the dips to the 54,000 level as seen from the long tail on the candlestick of the past 3 days. However, the buyers have not been able to clear the hurdle at the 50-day simple moving average of 56,769, which has flipped to resistance. The 20-day expansional moving average of 58,280 has started to turn down, and the relatively strength index is trading below 43, indicating that the bears have a slight edge. If the price turns down from the moving averages, it will increase the possibility of breaks below 54,000. If that happens, BTC-USD pair could drop to 50,460. The bulls are likely to defend this level aggressively. A strong rebound of 50,000 could keep the pair range bound for a few days. However, if the bears stick the price below 50,000, the sentiment could soar and pairs may plummet to 43,000. The negative view will indicate if the bulls can drive the price above 60,000, such as a move will suggest that traders continue to buy at lower levels. Breakout of all-time high 64,800 could attract momentum traders starting the next big leg up move. Let's get into it. Ethereum strongly bounced off the 2040 level on April 20th, indicating aggressive buying by the bulls at lower levels. The successful retest of the breakout level of 2040 is likely to attract future buying for short-term traders. The upsloping move average and the RSI in the positive zone suggest that bulls are in control. If the bulls can propel the price above all-time high of 2,545, the pair could pick up momentum and rally towards the next target object of 2,745 and the $3,000. Can trade to the assumption if the price turns down from the overheated resistance, then a few days of consolidation between $2,000 and $2,500 is possible. The advantage will tilt in favor of the bears if the pair slips the sustain below the $1,900 resistance support there, guys. BNB. The failure of the bears to sustain BNB below the 20 moving average at 476 on April 18th attract buying on April 19th. The momentum picked up further on April 20th, and the bulls are now trying to thrust the price above all-time high of 638 and resume the uptrend. Vortex data from the Cointelegraph market began to detect a bullish outcome for BNB on April 20th, just as a relief rally was picking up strength. Vortex score exclusive to Cointelegraph is an algorithmic comparison of historic and current market conditions derived from the combination of data points including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements, and Twitter activity. The 7-day chart above shows that Vortex score for BNB flipped green on April 20th when the price was 527, while the market was contemplating the direction of the next move. The Vortex score picked up strength and BNB also followed higher, hitting 608 after the 16 hours. The BNB pair could see start its journey towards the next target object of 832. The upsloping moving averages and the RSI near the overbought territory suggest that the path of least resistance is to the upside. However, the bears are likely to give up easily. They will try to mount a stiff resistance in the 600 to 638 mark. If the bulls do not cede much ground, it will enhance the prospects of a breakout of the resistance zone. Conveniently, if the price dips below 520, then the bears may make one more attempt to break the 20 everyday moving average. A break below 428 could result in a deeper correction. XRP. The bulls are aggressively attempting to defend the 20-day moving average of $1.26. This suggests that sentiment in XRP remains positive. Gradually upsloping moving averages and the RSI in the positive zone indicate a minor advantage to the bulls. The XRP pair may now rally to $1.46, where the bears are likely to mount stiff resistance. If the price turns down from the resistance, the bears will make one more attempt to sink the price below the 20-day EMA. If they succeed, the pair could extend the decline to 61% Fibonacci replacement level at 110. Conveniently, a break above 156 could put the bulls back in the driving seat. Let's talk about Doge. The bulls attempt to resume the uptrend in Dogecoin on April 19, but they could not clear the hurdle at the all-time high of 45 cents. The price turned down sharply from 43 cents, indicating that traders are booking profits on the rallies. Doge formally an inside day candlestick pattern day suggests in decision amount that bulls and the bears. If the price turns down the break to 27 cents support, the pair could decline to the 20 EMA of 19 cents. A strong rebound of the 20 EMA will suggest that the bulls continue to buy at lower levels. However, after such a deep correction, the next leg of the uptrend could be delayed. If the 20 EMA support cracks, the selling could intensify. Several traders who are stuck at higher levels may book their losses. The price could then drop below to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of 14 cents. Be careful out there, guys. Let's move on to Cardano. Dipping below the 50-day moving average at $1.20 on April 20th, but the bulls stagger a swift recovery. This shows that the bulls continue to buy at lower levels. If the buyers push to sustain the price above the 20 EMA of $1.27, a rally to $1.48 is possible. On the other chart, if the price turns down from the 20 EMA, then ADA could drop to the support of $1.03. The flat moving averages and the RSI near the midpoint suggest that the pair could remain range bound between $1.03 and $1.48 for the next few days. The next trending move could start if the bulls drive the price above $1.48 resistance or the bears sink below the 103 support. Let's get on to DOT. Polkadot bounced off 31.55 on April 20th, but the buyers are struggling to build upon the initial recovery day, indicating hesitation to buy at higher levels. The downslope 20 EMA at 38.96 and the RSI in the negative territory indicate that the bears have the upper hand. If the price turns down from the moving averages, it will suggest that traders are selling on rallies. That will increase the likelihood of a break below 31.55. If that happens, the decline could extend to 26.50. This negative view will invalidate if the bulls push the price above the moving averages, such as a move will open the gate for a rally to 42.28 and then all-time high of 48.36. Stay tuned for that one. Let's get on to Uni. The long tail on the candlestick of the past 3 days shows strong accumulation by the bulls at lower levels. The buying picked up momentum today, and the bulls are attempting to push a sustained uni above 35.20 resistance. If they manage to do that, uni could retest all-time high at 39.60. A breakout of this resistance could signal the chart of the next leg of the uptrend, which may reach 44.88 or even $50. The 20 EMA at 32.62 has started to turn up. The RSI has risen above 58, indicating advantage to the bulls. The positive view will inevitable if the prices turn down from the current levels and slip below the 20 EMA. Such a move could keep the pair range bound for a few more days. On to Litecoin. Litecoin slipped below the 20 EMA of 252 on April 20th, but the bulls arrested the decline at 234. The long term on the day's candlestick suggests that strong buy at lower levels. The buyers are currently attempting to sustain the price above the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level of 270. If succeeded, Litecoin could rally 50% retracement level at 282 and then go to the 61.8 retracement level at 294. Marginally, the 20 EMA and the RSI above 58 suggest a slight advantage to the bulls. On the contrary, if the price goes down below 270, it will suggest that the sentiment has turned negative and the bears are selling on rallies. That will increase the possibility of a drop to the 50 EMA of $216. Bitcoin Cash. The bulls have successfully defended the support at 50 Fibonacci retracement at 828. Bitcoin Cash could now rally to 1,041, where the bears may again mount a stiff resistance. However, the upsloping moving averages and the RSI in the positive territory suggest the path of least resistance is to the upside. If the bulls can drive the price above 1,041, then Bitcoin could see a 52-week high of $1,213. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turns down from the current level and breaks below the 20 EMA, 797, it will increase the likelihood of a deeper correction. The 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level of 737 may act as support, but if it cracks, the pair could drop to the 50 EMA of 618. Scary, guys. Let's get into the next one. Buddy, if you're liking this content, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please make sure you comment in the description so we can give some feedback on the channel. Also, please don't forget to check the links in the description if you're after some free Bitcoin. If you're after some free stocks, use the stake link. Please don't forget about the referral link to CoinSpot in the description. It really does help out the channel, guys. See you next time.